Hello. Thanks once again for coming and visiting our channel. Today we are going to learn how to get Wi-Fi network keys, your password. So let's get started. How to do it step by step. Just click on this start button, which is the Windows button. Then you see settings, or just search settings in this search bar. Then click settings. Click on settings. It will take you to this place, and because we are dealing with Wi-Fi, which is a network aspect, we will come to network and internet. So we are dealing with internet aspect, which is Wi-Fi. So we click on this, which is network and internet. It will take you to this place, and under status already open for you, you have to come down a bit. To when you are here, just find where it says network and sharing center, which is highlighted in blue. Click on that. Good. I hope you are following. Let me go back a bit so that you do understand what we are doing, everything. I want you to understand everything we are doing. Network and sharing center here. Good. Click on that. Good. It will take you to this place also, where you can see or find your Wi-Fi name. So where you see your Wi-Fi name highlighted in blue, this is my Wi-Fi name. This is my Wi-Fi name also, but this one is highlighted in blue. Click this one. Click on it. Good. Then it takes you to this same place where it says wireless properties. Click on wireless properties. Then it will take you to this same place where you have two tabs, connection and security. Come to security tab, and then it goes again. You find where you can show or check the show characters box and to review your password. So just check this box to review the password. So this is the Wi-Fi password. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment box and we will attend to you as soon as possible. Thank you. And you can ask of any question, and if you also know another way of doing this, just leave a comment in the comment box below, and you will be much grateful and learn from that one also, as we are all learning together and teaching ourselves together.